TIBCO MDM Training Online Certification Course by Vistasparks Solutions. Master TIBCO MDM, Master Data Management, and gain expertise in Master Data Management, Data Modeling, Data Governance, Data Quality, Workflow Management, Data Integration, and Enterprise Data Management. Our comprehensive TIBCO MDM training program is designed to help professionals manage, govern, and maintain enterprise master data efficiently. This hands-on training provides practical exposure to real-world data management, data integration, data quality, workflow, and governance scenarios. Contact on the mentioned WhatsApp number and email ID to know more about our services.
The company's mission statement emphasizes the importance of effective data management for organizational success. The organization has developed a comprehensive framework for managing enterprise data, which includes a set of tools and methodologies that are tailored to the specific needs of each organization. This framework enables organizations to manage their data more efficiently, reducing costs and improving productivity. By implementing this framework, organizations can improve their decision-making processes, leading to better outcomes and increased competitiveness. The framework also helps organizations to identify and mitigate potential risks associated with data management, such as data loss or corruption. Furthermore, the framework provides a clear understanding of the role of data governance in ensuring the integrity and security of an organization's data assets. The power of master data management lies in its ability to break down data silos and eliminate conflicting records. By establishing a single source of truth, organizations can bridge fragmented data across different business units into a unified, authoritative version of every critical data. This creates a synchronized ecosystem where all entities are connected. With master data management, decision makers can have confidence in their data, knowing it is accurate and consistent. This enables them to make informed, data-driven decisions. Our company provides a range of services, including data integration, data quality management, and data governance. We offer customized solutions for our corporate clients, which include data analytics, data visualization, and data mining. Our team of experts has extensive experience in implementing these technologies across various industries. The company provides training on Master Data Management, MDM, using TIBCO software. The training is led by experts who provide hands-on experience. Participants learn how to manage master data effectively, which enables them to make informed decisions about investments and drive business success. By mastering MDM, organizations can improve data governance, policies, and quality control processes. This leads to better decision-making and increased competitiveness. The training is designed to meet the specific needs of each organization. The Collaborative Information Manager, CIM, is the core component of TIBCO MDM. It serves as the central hub for all data management activities within the system. The CIM is responsible for integrating, validating, and standardizing data from multiple sources, ensuring that all data is consistent and accurate. It also provides a unified view of the data across different domains and applications, enabling users to access and manage data from anywhere in the organization. Furthermore, the CIM enables data sharing and collaboration between different departments and teams, facilitating business processes and decision-making, all English practice. The CIM is designed to handle large volumes of data and scale to meet the needs of growing organizations. Its multi-tiered architecture allows it to efficiently process and manage data from diverse sources, making it an ideal choice for managing complex information systems. The installation process begins with setting up the server environment. The first step is to install the necessary software components, such as the database management system and the middleware platform. These components are then integrated into the existing infrastructure. Next, the configuration of the middleware platform is performed, which includes setting up the high-availability clustered environment. This ensures that the system is highly available and resilient. The configuration of the middleware platform also includes setting up the application server, which enables the integration of various applications and services. The integration of the middleware platform with other systems is crucial for a successful deployment. The configuration of back-end systems is a critical component of TIBCO MDM. Configuring these systems enables the efficient management of large volumes of data. Setting up data pools allows for the organization and storage of data in a centralized manner. Managing data source connections ensures that data from various sources can be integrated into the system. Implementing robust access control measures is essential to protect sensitive data from unauthorized access. This involves creating, configuring, and managing user accounts and organizational structures within the system. Establishing data policies and role-based access controls helps to prevent unauthorized access to sensitive information. Mastering these administrative tasks enables organizations to effectively manage their data assets and maintain data quality. The ability to configure the Common Information Model (CIM) framework is a fundamental skill that enables users to build robust data models. To achieve this, one must understand how to design complex entity relationships, including cross-references and hierarchies. These relationships are critical components of any data model. Furthermore, mastering the visual design environment allows users to effectively maintain and organize relationships between entities, ensuring data consistency and accuracy. Additionally, configuring rule bases plays a vital role in enforcing data integrity and maintaining data quality. Mastering these core skills enables individuals to develop a comprehensive understanding of data modeling and repository management. Data ingestion and synchronization are critical components of any master data management system. To effectively manage your data, it is essential to learn how to move and synchronize large volumes of data into the CIM platform from diverse source systems. This includes understanding flat file integration techniques such as CSV, XML, and delimited file-based data loading. Additionally, optimizing bulk import jobs for performance and error recovery is crucial. Furthermore, publishing updated master data back to downstream systems in real time is also vital. By mastering these skills, organizations can ensure their data is accurate, consistent, and easily accessible across all systems. Advanced search capabilities are essential for effective master data management, MDM. Once DM, these capabilities enable organizations to efficiently manage large volumes of data, identify duplicate records, and resolve conflicts between different data entities. Advanced search enables organizations to apply identity resolution operations, enforce data quality standards, and define conflict management strategies that ensure accurate and consistent data across all records. By leveraging advanced search features, organizations can improve data governance, reduce errors, and increase productivity. Furthermore, advanced search capabilities facilitate seamless integration of data from multiple sources, enabling organizations to make informed decisions based on accurate and complete data. Organizations must master advanced search features to fully realize the benefits of MDM. Our customized curricula are designed to meet the specific needs of each organization. These curricula map directly to an organization's technology stack and business objectives. The curriculum includes a comprehensive overview of the TIBCO MDM platform, as well as hands-on training on modeling, deploying, and managing complex business processes. The expert-led delivery ensures that all sessions are led by industry veterans with extensive experience in TIBCO MDM projects. This expertise enables corporate teams to master the tools needed to create, implement, and maintain complex business processes within the TIBCO MDM platform. The training covers various aspects of the TIBCO MDM platform, including work item routing, multi-step record conflict resolution, and task lifecycle management. Our training also focuses on designing and optimizing workflows and processes to improve efficiency and reduce errors. Corporate teams can integrate TIBCO MDM seamlessly into their existing systems by working closely with our team. We provide guidance on implementing TIBCO MDM to maximize its potential to drive business success. With our training, corporate teams can expect significant improvements in process efficiency, reduced errors, and enhanced overall business performance. Workflow orchestration enables organizations to automate and streamline their data management processes. Conditional rules are defined and configured to govern data routing decisions. Manual steps are eliminated through process automation. The business rules engine creates customized rules that can adapt to changing business requirements. Workflows with multiple stakeholders are handled efficiently. Escalation paths are established to manage complex scenarios. By implementing workflow orchestration, organizations can improve efficiency, reduce errors, and enhance data management capabilities. Advanced integration techniques are essential for building robust and scalable data management systems. One key technique is JMS messaging, which enables reliable, asynchronous application-to-application communication. This allows different systems to communicate with each other seamlessly, even when they are not directly connected. By using Java Message Service, organizations can ensure that their data is processed efficiently and accurately. Additionally, custom Java actions can be extended to meet specific business needs, allowing organizations to tailor their data management processes to their unique requirements. Furthermore, hands-on practice with CIM Studio integration provides developers with the skills needed to design and test complex integration flows, ensuring that data is integrated correctly and efficiently. The organization's IT department has developed a comprehensive plan for implementing Master Data Management (MDM) within the company. Oxygen Day. The plan outlines the steps necessary to implement MDM, including identifying key stakeholders, developing a data governance framework, and creating a data management strategy. The plan also includes a detailed roadmap for deploying MDM across the organization, which includes timelines, milestones, and resource allocation. The IT department has worked closely with various teams throughout the organization to develop this plan, ensuring that it addresses the unique needs and requirements of each team. The plan is designed to be flexible and adaptable, allowing the organization to make adjustments as needed. The IT department has also provided training and support to ensure that employees are equipped to manage and maintain the MDM system. The corporate training provided by Vistasparks Solutions helps organizations improve their overall performance by enhancing their data management skills. The customized group training programs are designed to align TIBCO MDM skills with an organization's data strategy and ROI goals. These programs enable businesses to achieve greater success by developing the necessary skills to tackle complex data challenges. The training also includes continuous support through 24/7 expert mentorship, which ensures that teams receive guidance and feedback throughout their journey. Furthermore, the training is delivered by dedicated instructors who provide realistic scenario-based training, enabling teams to develop the necessary skills to manage data effectively. The training is tailored to meet the unique needs of each organization, providing a solution that drives meaningful results. By investing in this type of training, companies can unlock their full potential and reap the rewards of a well-managed data strategy. Individual training is designed to help you grow professionally within your current role. Our structured curriculum is aligned to official master competencies that will enable you to excel as a certified TIBCO MDM professional. With our program, you can prepare for the highly sought-after TIBCO MDM certification exam and increase your salary potential. Many of our learners have successfully transitioned into senior MDM architect and data governance lead roles at Fortune 500 companies. By enrolling in this program, you'll gain high-demand skills and significantly boost your career objectives. The company has been involved in various projects related to data management and analytics. We have worked with numerous organizations across different industries, providing solutions tailored to their specific needs. Our team of experts has extensive experience in data analysis, visualization, and interpretation. We offer customized training programs to equip individuals and teams with the necessary skills to effectively manage and analyze large data sets. Our services include data integration, data quality control, and data governance. We also provide support for data visualization tools such as Tableau and Power BI. A9